Hello everyone and good evening po sa ating lahat. Today is Wednesday once again. Anong ba ngayon? September 9? September 8, sorry. September 8, 2021. So, hello sa inyo and good evening, no? Andito ulit tayo on our StockWentuhan. Mamaya pag-uusapan natin 'yan. Pero ngayon siguro since kakasimula pa lang natin, then let's wait for some of our viewers na maka-jump in and join us, no, dito sa ating session for tonight. For the meantime, batiin ko lang muna, 'no, yung mga nasa comment section. Unahin ko na muna siyempre si Ben, 'no, kanina ka pa dito. As early as 6:20 PM nag-message na siya or at least nag-comment na siya, 'no. So, maraming salamat. I hope nandito ka pa, ha. Baka nag-comment lang tapos umalis, 'di ba? Ayan. Hello team, good evening. Turning on PC na rin, sir. Nice, nice. Hello sa'yo and good evening. Awesome channel, hello. Awesome channel, please post mo siya sa ano natin mamaya, dun sa ating, tawag dun? Sa ating live poll, no? Para ma-review natin yung Ali. Okay? Augusto, hello, magandang gabi. Rowena, Lenore, Wenny, PJ, Gina, Tess, Gloria, sino ba nandito? We have Apple, si Jewy, and si Tim. Ayan. So, magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Sige. Ano oras na? 8:35, no? Actually, iniisip ko na magsimula tayo ng mas maaga para mas mabilis. Ika nga, no? Hello JP, good evening pala. And Aurora as well. Ayan. So, good evening sa inyo, ha. Sige, simulan na natin. Ayoko nang patagalin pa to. Pero of course, quick technical check muna tayo kung maayos yung lahat. So, if naririnig naman ako ng maayos and wala namang kumbaga background noise, so siguro papress naman ako number 9. Number 9, no? Ayan. Sige. So, number 9 na po tayo kung malinaw ang lahat para at least alam ko kung pwede na tayo magsimula. Ayun, nice. Maraming salamat. Augusto, maraming salamat. Gloria, hello. Sige. Okay, let us start na muna, no? Para makarami. May nakaharang pa ba dun sa, wala na rin naman. Okay, so hello sa inyo lahat ulit, no? And good evening. Dun sa mga bago pa lang dito sa Stockwentuhan, this is a regular show here at StockSilog kung saan pinag-uusapan natin yung mga kung ano-ano lang. Diba? We do live stream both sa Facebook and sa YouTube channel natin every Mondays, Wednesdays, and Friday. No? At around 8:30 PM, depende kung may meeting ako or wala. Yan. So, kung baguhan ka man or experienced a trader, you'll definitely learn something here. Okay? And syempre, remember remember that everything we talk about here are not recommendations. Okay? But for research purposes only. Ikaw pa rin ang pipindot ng buy or sell button. So please, think before you click. And of course, if you find this session helpful, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel. Share the stream na rin, baka sakaling mas marami tayong matulungan. Kasi when you subscribe and share the stream, it actually helps us continue to deliver all of the videos and all of its content for free. So, ayan. Okie dokie. And because of that, quick check. Wala namang harang. Sige. So, simulan na natin. Okay? So, once again, doon sa mga bago pa lang, we are using slido.com. Dito kasi natin nilalodge lahat ng ating mga questions and then from here, doon ko iisa-isahin yung mga tanong, no? So, just go to slido.com tapos sa may participation code or sa participant code, just key in StockSilog and you will be brought dito sa ating landing page. Okay? Pero kung gusto nyo mas madali naman akong kausap, you can, let me try and post it sa ating comment box. Ayan. Takas kayo sa akin eh. Nice. Ayan. Okay. So, ayan you can post your questions there, no? So apart from posting the question, you can also upvote a question, no, na tingin nyo you are also interested to know about. Para at least, 'di ba? Mas maraming upvote, then that means aangat na aangat yung priority doon sa tanong na yon. And natin siya, mapa-prioritize natin siya. Okay? So, okay, sige, game. Let's go na. Unahin ko na muna, no? So, sabi ni Anonymous dito, hello Sir Mike, just wanted to ask po if we can initiate creation of GC for the batch 1. Okay. Yeah. O naman, walang problema, no? You can initiate the GC. Okay? And then, you can invite me over. Okay? Invite nyo ako para maka-participate din ako, no? Pero ano lang just a heads up, no? Baka syempre kapag work hours, alam niyo na, baka hindi ako ganun ka-active, no? Pero hangga't kaya naman ng oras ko and I have some time, definitely magre-respond ako doon. Okay? So, ayan, maraming salamat. Invite me para baka naman kayo lang. Sama niyo naman ako sa happenings, ika nga. Okay. Next, stock portfolio na negative. PNB at average price at 23.20. Your thought based on charts. Okay. So, negative portfolio, or siguro ang ibig niya sabihin dito is negative yung PNB niya, no? Hindi ko alam kung magkano exactly si PNB right now, no? Pero minention niya rito is yung average price is 23.20, no? Silipin nga natin. Interested din ako malaman kung anong nangyayari kay asan na ba yun? Ayan. Kung anong nangyayari kay PNB, no? Ayan. Okay. Got it. Ayan, medyo inangatan natin, no? Sige. So, number 1, let's try to plot, no? Para makita natin kung nasaan siya. Sabi niya is nasa 23.20 daw siya. So, saan yun? 23.20. Right about here. So, etong gawin natin siyang orange. Gawin natin orange. Ayan. So, dito daw siya nakabili and then price point niya nasa 20 na. So, gaano kalaki to? About 12%. Okay, so 12% down. Okay, sige. Let's try to analyze this one, no? Ito for the sake na rin sa mga bago pa lang and na nalulungkot dahil down yung portfolio, no? This is how myself ako hindi I'm not saying na ganito gawin nyo. This is how I will analyze the situation and then make my decision right after. Okay? Teka prepare ko lang para mapakita ko sa inyo kung saan ako nanggagaling or at least yung thought process ko on this type of case, no? First of all, before kasi ako mag-enter sa isang stock, I always myself why. Ba't ako papasok dun sa stock? What is my basis? Okay? It could be technical. Fundamental. FOMO. Or trip lang. Okay? I know medyo weird yung dalawang to, no? Pero let's be honest, di ba? Let's be honest, especially dun sa mga bago pa lang, di ba? Meron to. This is a factor, no? And don't get me wrong, I'm not saying na they don't exist, na hindi dapat. Well, technically, dapat hindi nyo ginagawa yon. Pero, kumbaga, praktikalan na lang. Meron to. Okay? Yan. Understanding where you are on the why gives you a better standing kung saan kayo pwedeng gumawa ng action. Okay? So let's say for example, kunwari lang, isa-isayin natin to ha, isa-isayin natin para makita nyo yung kumbaga thought process, ika nga. Okay? Pasensya na ha. Ito, heads up lang, medyo mahabang discussion to. Pero gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo. Okay? So, ayan, technical. Kung nakapili ako dito, then that means maybe at this point, kunwari lang ha, I'm just thinking na baka I am buying because of the bounce, no? Because of the bounce here. So technically, dapat if I do that, my anticipation is this one. Target price of 24.50. Okay? Yun yung magiging anticipation ko. Okay? Yun nga lang hindi nangyari. Okay? That means, for me, when this part here happens, dapat nung nag-drop na siya dito, I should have already cut my losses. No? Ito pa lang this candle pa lang dapat nag-cut na ng losses. Kasi yun yung gagawin ko. Okay? Now, umangat. Nung umangat siya, hindi rin nagstay agad dun sa taas. But instead, nag-drop lalo. No? So again, this is another second opportunity for me. Dapat nag-cut na ako, ito pa lang. Kung ayaw mo nito, then etong second candle. Kasi yan na rin yun Yan yung bibigay sa'yo ng confirmation na okay, drop na siya doon sa support. Diba? Yan. Now, nag-drop na siya ng tuloy-tuloy. Sana ba? Ayan. So, nag-drop na siya ng tuloy-tuloy. Nabasag yung isa pang support. So again, this should have been a sell already. Diba? So, kita natin, there are a number of instances wherein nakapag-sell na dapat ako. But I haven't. And instead, nag-stay long. Ika nga. Okay, next. So that's for the technical, no? Next, funda. If I recall it correctly, so si PNB kasi matagal na Several months na kasi yung news about PNB na, di ba, nag-SRO ba sila or FOO? Basta may ginawa silang offering. Nakalimutan ko lang kung ano. Ayoko nang silipin. Matatagalan tayo. No? Pero may katagalan na siya And then afterwards, wala nang news. No? So, dapat technically, wala nang masyado magiging movement itong si PNB. Actually, it is also, kung mapapansin niyo yung volume niya, it's also, kumbaga, nababawasan na or humihina na rin. No? So, that would tell me na yung news about it is already dying. No? So, hindi na siya sustainable. Okay? Yan. Next, FOMO and trip lang. Okay. If you are going to be, kung na-FOMO ka or trip mo lang, then to me, that only tells me one thing or that only gives me one option. That is to sell. Okay? Kasi these two, they are not actual plan. Hindi yan plano. Hindi yan trade plan. Okay? These two are silang dalawa. Kasi pwede mong hanapan to ng entry and exit di ba? Pwede. But these two, wala. Okay. Now, haba-haba ko pa, kulit ko, di ba? What I will do kung halimbawa hawak ko pa si PNB right now, obviously, kung nandito ako, I'll sell. Okay, I'll sell. And then move on to the next potential stock. Okay? I'll move on. Now, let's say for example, giving the benefit of the doubt again, technical or funda. On the technical side, technically, ito pa lang dapat nag-sell na. So kung hindi pa, then yung drop ng ilan to? 12% down diba? Roughly 12%. That's a automatic cut loss na for me. No? Kasi 5% pa lang, dapat nagka-cut na ako dyan. Okay? Now, maybe some of you would say na, teka, nagko-consolidate pa yan dito. Ba't hindi na lang mag-average down? Okay. I don't do average down. I don't do average down except for long-term stocks. No? Sa long term lang ako nag-average down, but on my short term, no. Pag down ka, cut kita. No questions asked. Okay? So, ayun. I hope, no, na nasagot ko yung question na to. Ay, saan yan? Ito pala. I hope nasagot ko tong question na to. Yan. Okay. Sige. So, moving on. May humarang sa taas. For breakout trading, ano po ba usually yung target nila? Also, is breakout trading good for mid to long term? Teka ha, medyo naguluhan ako dun sa part na yon. Kasi technically, breakouts are more effective on short term. Okay? Breakouts are more effective on the short term. Why? Kasi, ganito siya. Again ha, let's draw something here. So, again, this is your resistance. This is your support. Okay? The movement of the stock usually on a sideways, ganito yan. Going up, down, and then the breakout happens kapag na-break yung resistance. Boom. This one. Okay? Diyan yan. Now, kapag na-break yung resistance, there is very few candles, no, na pwede mong ma-take advantage. Okay? Or kumbaga kung saan magkakaroon ka ng action plan. Kasi the moment na it breaks out, dalawa lang yan. This stock can go dire-diretso or pwede siyang mag-pullback. Maging ganyan. Diba? And itong from this period hanggang this period, usually it just takes days. Minsan nga wala pang week eh. Diba? Especially yung action na pwede mong gawin, either sell or buy, it will happen very quickly. No? So, kaya doon sa question mo dito, tingin ko hindi applicable sa mid to long term ang breakout. Ang breakout ay pang short term. No? I think pwede mo siya magamit at some point, no? Pero usually talaga on the short term ang action plan or yung trade plan pagdating sa breakout. And what are those trade plan, no? Nabanggit ko na to before pero sige, I'll mention again. Wait, teka ha. Do I still have meron na akong cheat sheet dito before eh. Teka ha, hanapin ko siya para madali ko siya ma-explain sa inyo. Saan yun? And then, ayan, trade setups. Nasa website ko to ha. You can check that out. Ayan, breakouts. Okay? This is a normal occurrence sa isang stock, no, especially kapag malapit na siya mag-break, ika nga, di ba? So, characteristic niya, the price move above a strong resistance line. So, itong resistance line na to, dun siya nag-move. And then, higher than usual yung volume. So, madalas higher talaga yan. Tapos, usually a long green candle. Minsan pa nga gap up. Okay? How to trade? Yan. So, kapag ka meron, kunwari hawak ko yung isang stock na nag-breakout, then hold lang ako dyan. Ride it as long as possible. Okay? Hindi ko lang nailagay dito, pero technically, you can also do partial sell. No? Kumbaga, ang tawag doon, selling on strength. Okay? So, sometimes, I do that also. Okay? Now, kailan ako magbabuy or mag-add up? Kailan ako bibili on this part, no? Kapag meron ng pullback sa end of day, and then yung closing price, yung closing price na to hindi dapat bumalik doon sa binrake na resistance. Okay? Dapat na above pa rin yan. Okay? Now, when do I sell? Kapag na-breach yung support. Diba remember, the moment yung candlestick breaks the resistance, yung dating resistance line na yon is now a support. Okay? Ulitin ko ha. The moment na ma-break nung stock yung resistance, di ba resistance ito una, na break niya. This now becomes the support. Hindi na siya resistance, support na siya. Okay? Kaya yung sinasabi ko kanina pullback, dapat ganyan lang yan. Hindi dapat yan mag-drop below. Hindi dapat yan gumanyan. Dahil kapag ganyan, false breakout na yan. Okay? So hanggang dito lang, no? Or anywhere in between, no? Tapos wait for the confirmation sometimes for a kick pagkatapos. Okay? So that's how I usually play my breakout setup. Okay? Or my breakout play. Yan. I hope malinaw siya ha. I think simple lang naman intindihin yung setup. Okay. Next. Sabi dito, hi. Sa Call Financial, maganda yung monthly ledger report. You can see detail of gain loss on each sell trade and or buying average price on a stock portfolio. Tapos, sa call, you can generate anytime your account ledger. Yep, that's correct. Tapos, sa first metro naman, I see that monthly report is so simple. Does not show the loss and gain on each sell trade. Okay, so ano ba? Difference nilang dalawa? Okay. So, yung question niya dito was, and does not give our average buying price but show market price only. Maybe you know where we can get a better report sa FMS Sec like yung sa call. Ayun, okay, correct. Sige. Unfortunately, hindi ko po alam, no? Kasi usually, hindi ako nandoon yun, pero hindi ako masyadong nagre-rely dun sa partner, or at least hindi ko siya tinatry, no? Most of the time kasi, I have my own trading journal, no? I'm using yung sa Investa since I'm subscribed naman, and kasama naman siya sa subscription ko, so gamitin ko na lang, di ba? Pero yeah, hindi ako familiar, sorry. Better if you can, they have the parang support team. You can check with them, no? I think they are they are responsive naman. So it would be better, or it would be better to check with them, no? Para mabigyan kanila ng mas maayos na response. Okay? Ayan. So, let me try and clear this up. Okay, next. Sabi niya rito, si Anonymous, kakaiba yung takbo ni ASEN. Hindi ba like ng big players? Maka-out kaya, di ba price? I can smell fishy. They buy to lure investors but they want to get out for now. Okay. I have more question dito sa tanong mo, no? Si Anonymous. Okay. Kasi ganito, no? Number one, hindi ba like ng big players ang ASEN? Well, the first thing is, sino yung tinutukoy mong big players? Okay? That's question one. And then number two, how sure are you na hindi nila gusto? Number three, how sure are you na, or what if nakabili na pala sila sa baba? Naghihintay lang ng target price. Diba? Given na hindi natin alam kung sino yung mga big players, then siguro it would be also unfair for us to say na na merong something fishy about it. Diba? Remember, instis, big players, quote-unquote big players, are just like traders, no? Just like us. Regardless, no? Madalas din sa mga yan, baka mas nauna pang may makaalam, bumabadega na sila. Diba? And then, naghihintay na lang ng TP. Okay? So, hindi ko alam, no? As far as I know, in terms of the chart, nahihirapan si ASEN na i-break talaga yung Gs. Okay? Nahihirapan siya. Ilang beses siguro, pang-apat na araw na yata today, no? Na ina-attempt ni ASEN na mag-break sa 10 pesos pero hindi pa niya magawa. Now, is that a good or is that a bad thing? Depende, no? Kasi kung papanoorin natin yung naging galawan ni ASEN in the past. Ako kasi kapag nag-a-analyze ako ng candlestick, as much as possible, I don't want to just analyze one one day, no, or isang candlestick lang. Ang tinitingnan ko diyan siguro mas mahaba. So usually tingnan ko diyan more than 20 days. More than 20 days, that means mga around at least a month, no? Just to give me a better understanding kung ano yung nangyayari dun sa stock. Okay? Ang problema ko lang dito kay ASIN is that yung movement kasi niya masyadong mabilis, no? And I have no time para doon sa pag-analyze ng 20 candles. Kasi kung papansinin natin, di ba? Rally dito, tapos breakout na agad doon. Hindi man lang nagtagal. Tapos ngayon, consolidate. And yung consolidation niya dito, hindi pa tapos. Diba? So, we really do not know kung this one will break out or babagsak. Hindi ko alam yon. I don't know kung kayo alam nyo, then pabulong. Pero ako hindi ko kasi alam. Diba? Ngayon, ang gagawin ko na lang dito is wait it out. No? For me, there is no point para hulaan na magbe-breakout siya or magda-drop siya. Kasi whatever decision I make, it will be in response doon sa action or doon sa candle, no? Lagi akong ganon. Hindi ko pinapangunahan yung movement. Okay? Kasi that is something na hindi ko kayang kontrolin. Diba? So might as well focus na lang ako sa kaya kong kontrolin, which is my response. Response ko pag nag-breakout, then okay, breakout play, yung katulad ng pinakita ko sa inyo kanina. Kapag hindi nag-breakout, nag-drop, then pullback play naman. Similar din siya doon sa breakout play, pero saan yun? Bounce play pala, sorry. Then I'll wait for this one. No? From kunwari consolidation dito, no? And then it will drop, then I wait for on the support, wait for the confirmation candle, and then doon ako bibili. Parang ganon. So kita nyo, I'm not trying to predict what will happen sa market or sa stock. I just respond accordingly. No? So ayan. Okay, I hope I was able to answer this, no? Insight on now. Okay. Kay now kasi, well, to be honest, wala akong nababalitaan masyado kay now, no? Silipin natin yung sa chart. Onto din siya. Teka ha, ayan. So, consolidation din si now ngayon. Hindi siya umabot doon sa major support. Okay. Doon siya sa DOS pumupwesto, no? Doon siya sa DOS nagko-consolidate. Okay. Yun nga lang kasi itong sinaw, ang ayoko lang sa kanya is that this stock is on a downtrend. Okay? Doon sa mga matatagal na sa akin dito, you know that I don't usually play or trade mga downtrending stock. No? Sometimes I wait. Okay? And for me, etong nakikita akong consolidation dito sa 2 pesos, this could be a good start, no? Para kay now. I hope lang talaga na magtuloy-tuloy siya. Dalawa lang yung gusto ko makitang scenario dito, no? Either etong consolidation na to will extend. So ibig sabihin nun, magtatagal pa siya, mag-consolidate lang siya, no? Or syempre, a better would be for this one to start rallying, no? So, again, these are the 2 scenarios na gusto ko makita sa kanya. Okay. Syempre, yung ayaw naman natin is magtuloy-tuloy. Okay. Now, bakit gusto ko yung sideways? Kasi, usually, in a cycle, no? Cycle kasi ng stocks, usually, ang nangyayari is ganito. Magkakaroon ng major movement. Kunwari, uptrend yung major movement, ha? Tapos, before it go down, before it pulls back, usually, nagkakaroon ng mini consolidation yan. Consolidation. Tapos, saka siya gagawa ng another movement niya. Yung next movement niya is either pwedeng up or pwedeng down. No? Normal yon sa mga stocks. Yung consolidation na to, ito yung part na nagpapahinga yung stock. Nawawala yung mga nasa-shake off na mga, kumbaga mga weak hands, nasa-shake off sila dito, nawawala. No? And then gearing towards the next potential move. Okay? That movement is either again up or down. Tapos ganun na natin gagawin yan. Yan. Pwede magkaroon ng down pa nga yan eh. Consolidation, up, yan. Consolidation again and then up. Tapos consolidation and then up. Consolidation and then down. Ganyan. No? Kaya gustong-gusto ko yung mga consolidation kasi pagka nagkakaroon ng consolidation, and especially kapag mahaba yung consolidation, the longer it is, the stronger the next move is. Okay? So, ayan. Next. Good evening. Using First Metrosec, nag-charge ba tayo ng fees kapag nagka-cancel tayo ng orders? No, hindi. Cancelled orders, wala siyang fee. Okay? Nagkakaroon lang ng fee kapag na-execute or na-fulfill yung order. Doon lang. Okay? Pero pag kinancel mo siya, wala pang na-execute kahit isang share, wala pang na-match, then hindi ka magkakaroon ng fee. Okay. Now lang nangyari kay AC na tumatabla ang foreign buy and foreign sell. No? So, foreign buy, almost 134, tapos foreign sell 111. Okay. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung question. Na. Ayan. Pero yeah, if that is your observation, then that's totally fine. No? Ako kasi hindi ako masyadong I'm not really kumbaga following the foreign situation doon sa specific stock. No? Hindi kumbaga I know I can factor that in, pero usually hindi ko na pinapansin. Mas mahalaga kasi sa akin yung price action. No? So, ayan. Okay. Before ako before ko ituloy ito, balik muna ako sa comment section. Baka may mga na dito, ha? Teka. Batiin ko lang iba, no, na hindi natin nabati kanina. Baka magtampo. Wag naman sana. Hello, Roy. Kung nandiyan ka pa, good evening. Yan. Sophia, watching from Dubai. Hello and welcome back. Tagal mo nawala, Sophia. Hope everything is good and okay. Jingle, hello, good evening. For Lee, Lee pa, ano na lang, no? Pa-check, pa-comment na lang siya as a, tawag dito, doon sa poll, sa stock request, no? Doon na lang. Okay. Hello, Cesar, good evening. Louis, si PNB, head and shoulders daw. May dividend. Yung property dividend nga pala niya, no? So, yun yung nasa fundamental side. Okay, thank you for that information. Yep. It's giving out dividend. Hello, Josh. Good evening. Aurora, kung bullish ang MA200 at bearish ang RSI, alin po sa kanila yung trusted? Okay. Let's try to clarify this, ha? Kasi moving average or yung MA20, that is an indicator, diba? Same thing with RSI. Pero, what moving average tells you is basically yung average nung iba't ibang price point at a particular period. So, kunwari MA20, so average price ng 20 days or 20 candles versus RSI. RSI does not give you the indicator if it's bearish or bullish. Ang ibibigay niyan sa'yo is either overvalued or undervalued. Okay? Now, on your question, kung alin po sa kanila mas trusted, ako kasi, I'm perfectly okay with moving average. Kung mapapansin mo, I don't usually talk about, hindi usually. I really don't talk about RSIs sa mga charts ko. No? Kasi minsan pampadagdag noise lang yung RSI para sa akin. No? And I'm pretty much happy about support and resistance lang. Ika nga. No? Ayan. Tapos, Dennis, hello, good evening. From Pampanga. Nice. Hello, Cesar. Visit the StockSilog trading setup, but hindi ko po ma-access. Request lang po for download. Nandoon yun. Teka ha. Let me try to check. Minsan kasi bumabagal siya dahil antayin lang natin na nag-load up na siya. Ayan, trading setup. Ayan, nandito siya. No. I'm not sure kung ito yung tinutukoy mo or nakita mo na siya. No, but ayan, I posted it there. Okay. Elias, hello, good evening. Marie, good evening. Ramilo, busy lang. Back to normal na po dito. Back to office na rin. Uy, nice. Buti pa kayo. Dito sa Manila, wala pa rin eh. MECQ na dapat. GCQ na dapat. Bumalik pa sa MECQ. So, yan lang. Okay. Hello, David. Good evening. I heard discussing foreign buyer. Of course, meron silang bearing kasi sila talaga yung ang merong unlimited fund. Yep, I would agree, no? At some point. However, kung mapansin natin yung market natin, the locals are kaya nilang sumalo, no? The locals, kaya nila. So, kumbaga, siguro let's say 50-50, I would say. It's a different ball game kung halimbawa we are in 2017, 2016, no, na talagang heavy kung sundan ang mga foreign dahil sila yung, kumbaga, sabi mo nga, only funds. Although hindi naman sila only fund. No? Pero ibig sabihin malaki yung fund nila na kaya nilang magpagalaw, no, ng presyo. But for now kasi kaya na rin eh. Nakikisabay na yung locals, which is good. No? This is a really, really good sign. That means more locals na or more Filipinos are already buying into stocks. Diba? So, ayan. Okay, so I think naubos ko yung nasa comment section dito. Let me go back doon sa ayan. Si Ali to biglang top gainer. Bakit nga ba naging top gainer si Ali? Top gainer nga ba siya? Hindi naman 1.05%? Hindi yan top gainer. Ano ba top gainer natin kanina? Ferro, 10%. Or maybe what you meant is most active. No? Pwede. Silipin nga natin. Ay, nagano na ako. Merong block sale at saka merong cross sale kanina. Almost 60 million din to. Pero sino man namili sa kanya kanina? Oh, Maybank. Oh. Si Maybank. Siya ang namili. Ang todo nagbebenta kanina si UBS naman. Nice. Ano ulit yung tanong? Kung bakit biglang top king? Ano ba nangyari in the time in sales natin? Silipin natin to. No? Medyo mabagal lang siya mag-load sa una. Ayan. Ayun, no? Ito yun. Sina New World. Sila ang namamakyaw. Kaso maliit lang to, no? 3,111 about 7 or mga 10 million etong first na to. Pero before that, kung mapansin natin, ayun din yun. Ayun, on the run-off, CLSA, nagbebenta si UBS, tapos sumasalo si Salisbury. So, ayun, sila may pakana. Ayan, si CLSA, tapos si Salisbury. And then, naki-join na rin si Call. No? Pero basically, yung biggest ones were si Salisbury at saka si CLSA. Sila yung heavy buyers ni Ali kanina, no? At the runoff. Okay, sino ba? Si Monde pullback. Kita ko sa post mo. Okay. Yep, nagpo-pullback nga siya. Again ulitin ko kasi baka merong mamiloso po, or hindi naman siguro mamiloso, pero yung mga bago baka iniisip nila na I am predicting na just because nag-pullback yung isang stock, lilipad na siya, no? It's not that, hindi gano'n, okay? Pullback is an action on the market, no? Na pwede mong ma-take advantage kung halimbawa marunong kang gumamit nun. Pero it does not mean na mangyayari yung mega rally, okay? Kasi walang nakakaalam nun, okay? Yan. So gusto ko lang linawin yung part na yun. Teka, ubusin na natin 'tong 5. Ano pong broker ang gamit nyo for US stocks trading? Hindi na ako kasi nag-US stocks, no? Wala na ako. Matagal na. 2017, 2016 pa yata ako huling nag-trade. I was using eToro lang. Very basic. Okay? Pang long term. Siguro just check the S&P 500. No? Yung grupo ng Amazon, Alphabet, and yeah, I think yun yung mga medyo Apple, and Visa. So far yun yung mga okay na pang long term kasi talagang yun. Even Coca-Cola. Okay. Next. Paano natin masasabi na bullish ang stock, like moving average? Bullish yung stock kapag maganda yung trend, no? Kapag uptrend. Uptrend stock tapos merong kasamang volume. Okay? Ibig sabihin by may kasamang volume is hindi naman kailangan na malakihang volume agad, no? But even yung volume na gradually umaangat, that can be considered. Okay? For the moving average, usually ang tinitingnan ko dyan is MA200. If the stock is above MA200, then usually I can consider those as bullish stocks. Kapag hindi naman, then pag nasa baba, then bearish stock naman siya. Is MPI this low today good sign or bad sign? Yung sa NLEX to, no, na good sign or bad sign? Neither, no? Neither. I mean, kasi technically nailabas na ng NLEX yung expense na sa kanila yun eh. 'Di ba? So they're just trying to see kung kaya nilang ma-recover, pero I don't see that as a major, kumbaga an impactful event, no, for MPI. Okay, anong thoughts mo sir sa peso fund sa SS? T-bills rate or T-bond rates? Hindi ako masyadong familiar with SSS, no, yung mga funds nila. So hindi ko masasabi. Okay. T-bills and T-bond, basically they are just almost the same. Nagkakatalo lang sila sa rate. So siguro what I would say is just check the rate kung kumusta, no? Usually for the bonds naman, remember for treasury, mababa lang yan, no? Most likely naglalaro lang yan between 2 to 3% o minsan nga lower pa. No? Kasi mga short-term short-term debts lang ito, no? Kaya hindi yan ganong kalakihan. MRC, palagay na lang dun sa stock request. Dun na lang siya, which is better, MA or EMA? For me, if you are a swing trader tapos kung hindi ka naman short term, as in short term na day trader, moving average is totally fine. Okay? Pero kung halimbawa you are day trading, EMA, no? For me mas effective yung EMA. Okay? Pero ito lang don't just go into that main generalization, no? Na pagka medyo mid to long term MA tapos pagka short term EMA, no? A better approach for moving average is plot them and then see kung alin sa kanila yung nagma-match doon sa stock. Ano ibig ko sabihin? Let me show you kung ano ibig ko sabihin. Ayan. Okay? So, I am using moving average. Okay? I'm using moving average. So, what do I mean by kung alin yung mas effective, no? So, watch out for the moving average. Tingnan mo kung saan siya lumalapat, no? In terms of the reversals. Yan. So, itong MA50 ni Ali looks good, no? Mukhang malinis naman siya. Okay. Now, salangan natin ng EMA. Yan. EMA, syempre dapat same ng ano, no? Same ng yan. Same ng value para mas makita mo siya. Okay. Yan. So, itong light green, palitan ko nga ng kulay ito para mas makita natin siya. Ayan. That's better. Ayan. Okay. So, itong light green or light blue, this is your 50 moving average, while itong yellow is your EMA 50. Okay? And kung papansinin niyo, no, ito pa. Maliit ang difference nilang dalawa. No? So, kaya minsan hindi ko rin masyadong pinipili, no, regardless if it's using MA or EMA. Ang mahalaga yung consistency. Kung ano yung pipiliin mo, kunwari you decided to use MA, then MA, no? Kapag EMA, EMA. Diba? So, ayan, going back doon sa sinasabi ko kanina. Okay. So, if you can see here, when I am plotting, I always look kung nasaan yung mga reversals. Okay? So, let's try to plot, no? For the moving average, I can see this one. Saan pa? This one as well. Tapos, eto. Okay? Yun yung mga points wherein halos dumikit siya doon sa moving average. No? Versus, this is your EMA. Ayan. Okay? So, kung mapapansin natin, no, for Ali, para lang dito sa stock na to, I think mas obvious yung role reversal neto of the moving average lang. While si EMA, although meron pa rin naman, pero kung makikita natin, medyo, ano na siya, nag-volatile na siya doon sa areas na yan. Diba? Unlike kay moving average kasi kita mo siya eh. May ano talaga siya. May yung role reversal, kita mo eh. Doon siya nagsa-stop. Diba? So yan, ganun. Pwede mong itry yan. Silipin mo lang kung saan mas maayos yung plotting and yung role reversal sa moving average, and then you can use that. Okay, mabilisan na lang. Good to buy PABA for this week. I don't know. This is a reco question, and sorry pero hindi kasi ako nabibigay ng mga reco answers, no? Kailan nagkakaroon ng stock price adjustment yung may A sa Investa? Talaga, hindi ko napapansin to. Can you give me an ano? Sabi ni Anonymous. Ang cute. Yung ngayon yung merong ganyang A. Kasi baka iniisip ko, mukhang preferred to. Parang pref A or pref B, pref C, no? So, I don't know, no? If you can give more information, baka sakaling yun. Pero, just looking at your question here, I think yung mayroong mga A is yung mga preferred shares. Okay? Sabi ni what ni Mus, how do I start in scalping day trading? Ano yung first lesson na kailangan aralin? Ano yung first? Wait lang ha, hindi ko kasi alam kung saan ka nanggagaling eh. Do you have experience na ba with scalping? Oh, sorry, hindi na scalping. Do you have experience in yung normal trading? Yun muna. Kasi kung wala, then wala. Then I guess doon ka pwede mag-start, no? Generally, support and resistance. Yun lang. Scalping and day trading, these are advanced to ha. So kung wala kang basic knowledge about trading, never, do not go into this. Unless of course, you are intentionally doing an experiment, then that's totally fine. Pero kung hindi, do not. Okay? Yung A. Okay, no. Yung may A, wait lang tech. Meron bang tech? Saan mo siya nakita? Kaya dito? Saan yung A? Hindi ko makita. Yeah. Sorry, hindi ko makita yung A dun sa part na yon. Kailan po ang next MSCI rebalancing? Every quarter kasi yung MSCI. Teka, meron ba akong schedule dito? Or nasa akin po yung schedule? Parang hindi ko na yata maalala. November 11. Yeah, so yun yung next. No? Ano po ang tools for scalping? Same tools na ginagamit, no? There's no difference. Mas advanced lang siya. Okay? So same lang. Same lang, no? Pero ito don't get everything from me kasi I'm not a scalper. Hindi ako nagda-day trade, no? Or very small yung aking experience in terms of day trading and scalping. So I'm not the best person na makapagbigay sa'yo ng tip about it. Okay. So, sorry. It's already 9:25 kasi I need to move on to the requests na muna, no? Kasi baka maubusan tayo ng oras. Okay? So, for now, quickly, ayan. Okay. So, unahin ko na muna, no? So far, we have about 38 respondents dito dun sa type your stock code below. Okay? So again, doon sa mga bago pa lang dito and who would like to share, no, yung kumbaga magbigay ng kanilang favorite stock, just go to slido.com tapos StockSilog, nandoon yan. Alternatively, you can also go here. I'll post the link sa ating comment box para review niyo siya, and then you can please, no, yung favorite stock code niyo na gusto niyo i-reviewin natin. Okay? So, ayan. Sige, I'll give you maybe mga around 60 seconds para mag-key in ng inyong mga favorite stock code, and then kuha lang ako muna ng water, ha? So, mabilis na lang. Sige, just fill in that and babalik ako agad. Okay, so I am now back and oh nice, we have about 52 na responders dito sa ating stock code, 54 now. Sige, so mabilisan lang tayo na na quick recap before natin simulan yung actual stock review natin, no? So remember, everything we talk about here are not recommendations, okay? But for research purposes only, ikaw pa rin yung pipindot ng buy or sell button. So please, think before you click. And syempre, if you find this type of session helpful, please do consider liking and subscribing sa ating channel and sa Facebook page. No? Share the stream, baka mas marami tayong matulungan. Kasi when you subscribe and share the stream, it actually helps us to continue to deliver all the videos and all of its content for free. Ayan. So maraming salamat. And ito, no, para dun sa mga nagtatanong, yung mga setups na ginagawa ko, or at least yung opinions ko or insights ko on the setups, pang swing trading po ito. Okay, so I'm a conservative swing trader, and usually yung time frame ko is between days, months, days, weeks, or sometimes years pa nga inaabot yung iba, di ba? So, ganun yung aking setup, no? Kung halimbawa you are a day trader, then sorry pero hindi ito para sa'yo. Okay? Now, moving on. Yan. So far, no, ito yung ating final list. Now, so I'll give 5 more seconds. Kung wala na, I'll be closing out our poll para natin siya. Masimulan natin. Diba? Okay? And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I am now deactivating the poll. There you go. And view result. Ayan. So, the poll is officially closed. We have 58 responders. Tapos, ang pinakamalakas natin dito so far ay sina. Ayan. Para makita nyo, no? Ayan. Yan sila. Okay. So, as we can see here, FNI is leading. Then, we will proceed, no? Okay. Sahan natin, FNI. Para makarami tayo. So, yikes, hulog si FNI pala. Tanggalin ko na to dahil nahulog na siya. Ayan, yan na lang para mas malinis tingnan. Okay, so FNI is wala untog na siya dun sa 220 eh. No? Tapos pa-downtrend na rin tong stock na to. Okay. So at the moment, no, kung halimbawa meron akong hawak na FNI, I look for opportunity to sell. Okay. Ano ibig sabihin by look for opportunity to sell? Maghihintay ako ng mga green candles, no? Green candles, pagkatapos magbebenta ako doon. Okay? Why? Kasi the moment na mauntog yung stock doon sa part na yon, yung likelihood na mangyari is that magre-resist na siya, no? Magre-resist na siya doon sa part na yon. And pwede mangyari diyan is after mauntog, so kumbaga up here, tapos nung nauntog siya, pwedeng bumaba ulit yan, no? At around maybe 2 pesos since yun yung most recent pullback niya. Okay? So, ayun. A good scenario here will be for this stock to break out, no? I-break out niya tong 220 para makabalik siya doon sa previous state niya. Okay? So again, this is the ideal, no? Pag ganyan, then better. Pero since hindi natin alam yan, then let's just play by the odds. No? Kumbaga statistics na lang. And statistically, pagka nauntog yung isang stock doon sa part na yon, madalas nagaganyan siya. No? So, ayan. I hope mali ako para at least everybody happy for FNI. No? Tapos medyo hindi pa maganda yung galawan ng mining and oil recently, di ba? Damay-damay sila dahil dun sa lower price ng oil sa global market. So it adds, no? It adds dun sa negative sentiment sa stock. Nangyari na kay Green. Okay. So, si Green kasi, pinlat ko lang to, no? Pero ang dating kasi sa akin is inverse cup and handle. Okay, inverse cup and handle. So, I hope na hindi naman siya matuloy, pero just in case matuloy, remember that cup and handle is usually a reversal, no? A reversal candle, pattern. So, kung uptrend siya before, pagka nahulog 'to, baka magtuloy-tuloy. Okay, so yun ang yung worry ko about it. And at the same time, below na rin siya ng MA 200 line. Hindi ko pa siya masasabi na fully bearish or fully, bearish na stock. Kasi technically, it's still on a sideways, no? Considering yung kanyang movement. Yan, no? Generally sideways yan. Okay. So siguro kung meron akong hawak na green at the moment, I'll partially sell. No? Or look for opportunity to sell. Saan yung opportunity to sell? Mga green candles. Tapos, kung wala naman akong hawak na green or kung gusto siyang abangan, then I'll wait na lang sa 225. Itong area na to, no? For potential bounce play. Okay? So, ayan. That's my take on green APL. APL naman, ayun lang. For APL, no, I think yung range natin sa kanya is nasa around 0.1 hanggang 0.16. Okay? And ngayon, at least, nag-bounce na siya, no? Nag-bounce na siya doon sa 0.1. Ang next question dito is it good to enter or not? Kasi, pag ganito, ulitin ko, ano, since nagkakaroon na siya ng mini uptrend dito sa part na to, I would also consider yung upside, no? And the upside, I would calculate it based on the today's end of day pricing hanggang dun sa target ko, which is yan, nasa 0.16, no? So ito yung main target line ko. However, kung papansinin natin, meron ding minor resistance dito. Merong minor resistance, no? And if we try to calculate that or check the upside, 22%. Not bad. 'Di ba? Not bad. Okay? Yun nga lang, ang worry ko dito is on the fundamental side. Kasi remember Apollo is still not, well, wala pa silang binalita na nag-start na sila ng operation. Or at least hindi ko lang nababasa. Okay? Remember APL is not operational, at least in the past. No? Patitingnan natin dito. Financial reports. 0, 0, 0, 0. Since last year. Okay? No revenue. So, ingat, no? Doble ingat sa mga ganitong klase ng stock. GMA7. Interesting. Okay. Ganun pa rin siya. I do like the fact na teka lang linisin ko lang to para mas maayos. Ayan. So, for this one, no, what I can do here is siguro adjust ko pa to. Parang ganyan. For a potential cup and handle. No, na formation. Ang gusto ko sa kanya is that, sorry, nalito na ako. Ang dami masyado. Ayan. Mapala yung reference kung sasabihin ko sana. So, mali ako doon. Okay. Moving average, MA50. Ang nangyayari sa kanya, nagiging resistance. No? So, umangat siya kahapon. Pero kanina, nag-drop. No? After niya mauntog, doon mismo sa MA50 line. So, I would be very interested to see kung anong gagawin niya dyan. Kasi technically, if mauntog yung stock, again, as we have discussed kanina, the tendency is for that stock to go down or to decline. Okay? So we'll see how this one will will pan out. Besides, in terms of the range naman, 1150 hanggang 1469, technically, nasa gitna pa naman yung stock eh. No? So, if meron akong hawak na GMA7, I'll hold. I'll set my cut loss at 1270. Kung wala naman, then eto, I'll wait here. No? Or, wait here. Either way. Converge. Yan, okay. So, itong si Converge, tambay na siya sa resistance. No? Yung 32 pesos, that appears to be a very strong resistance, or at least it's developing resistance para kay Converge. Okay? Hopefully, no, mag-break para magtuloy-tuloy. No, hopefully. Yan. Okay? And then, so kung meron akong hawak na conversion, ang gagawin ko, depende sa average price ko, no? I might consider, or at least I will consider partially selling. No? Kahit siguro mga 10 to 20% of my holdings habang nasa resistance pa siya. No? Kasi technically, we can buy it back naman eh, di ba? Pagka breakout, then wait for the pullback. Yan. Then buy it back there. Pero kasi ang major worry ko dito is, of course, ano kung instead of mag-breakout, mauntog. Diba? So, at least, meron ng nakapag-take profit ka na kahit konti. Okay? Now, kung wala naman akong hawak na Converge, then I would be in a better position. Kasi again, yun pa rin yung magiging trade plan ko, no? Wait for the breakout, wait for the breakout to happen, tapos I'll enter on the pullback. Okay? Alternatively, pag ito nauntog, nag-confirm, I'll wait na lang sa 29.40. Diba? And then, wait for it to bounce for a next potential breakout play. Okay. Next. Tech. Okay, tech naman, nangyari sa kanya ganun. So ito rin, no, parang kay FNI kanina. 'Di ba? Parang yung nangyari kay FNI. Okay? Wherein nabasag na yung support. So ako kinuha to, ayan yung. The next support is here. 350 na yung kasunod. Okay? So kung meron akong hawak na tech, I'll consider partially selling. I'll sell on the I'll take the next opportunity to sell. Okay? Ganun na lang. And then wait it out. Kasi ganun din eh. The stock is already on a downtrend anyways. Diba? What will happen kung mag-break siya dito? Di mag-break siya. I mean, if it breaks, then that means I'll just focus on making swing na siya, no? And then I can always buy it back naman, no? As long as my setup is complete, then pwede kong bumalik. Diba? So, kaya doon sa mga nanghihinayang, what if baka bukas mag-breakout? Okay. Good luck. Again, wala nakakalam, no, kung kailan mag-breakout yung isang stock. Ang mahalaga is you are ready or you are prepared kapag nabigyan ka ng opportunity doon sa trade setup mo. Okay? Next. Tech Monde. Interesting. So, si Monde kanina ay breakout. Ay, hindi. Pullback pala to. Kahapon pala yung breakout, no? So, ayan. This is a good example, no? Nung sinasabi ko na pullback play, no? So, ayan. The pullback happened after its recent breakout. And then, yung pullback candle is still above the support, no? Na 17 pesos. Okay? So, etong kanina na to, this could be a good candidate, no? For buyback or to buy at this level. No? Yun nga lang, medyo nakakatakot lang kasi ay nawala na. Wait lang kasi kanina na malaki yung ano eh. Oh. So, ibig sabihin, dalawa lang yan. Either naubos nila naubos na mga buyers yung nakasalang dito kanina or kinancel, no? But looking at this one, anything can happen pa rin tomorrow. Okay? So, ayan. Again, kung meron akong hawak na Monde at this point, dahil hindi pa naman nahuhulog siya, then I'll hold, no? Yung magiging take profit ko na cut will be at around 17 pesos pag nahulog na siya below 17. Pero since the stock is still above 17 pesos, then I'll hold kung meron ako. Kung wala naman, then itong candle sana kanina, I could have bought it. Next, nickel. So kanina FNI, nickel naman ngayon. Silipin natin. Ayun. Okay. Sige. So itong si nickel, mukhang gusto ko siya in terms of this is a good candidate for swing, no? Kasi kung mapansin natin, di ba? It swing up, resistance, swing down, support, swing up again on the resistance, and then now medyo pero rumi-rebound na rin siya agad dito. Is this a 52 week? Hindi pa. Okay. Although, syempre, ang worry din dito is this might go into a double top pattern. And double top pattern is a bearish pattern. Diba? Kasi on the double top, breaching the support yun eh. No? Yun yung kumbaga ginagawa niya. Okay. So, for nickel, no, kung meron akong hawak nito, I'll hold. I'll hold since at 590, okay na rin naman siya dito sa taas. Okay. Kung wala naman akong hawak na nickel, I'll wait pala. I'll wait. Saan ako maghihintay? Breakout or bounce. No. So, doon ako. Waiting game lang itong kay nickel ngayon kasi wala eh. Naglalaro pa rin siya sa range eh. Okay. Next. GT Cup. Very seldom ko itong na-encounter si GT Cup na nire-request. Ayan. Okay. So, for GT Cup naman, ayun lang. May may death cross na nangyari dito. Pero, okay. Sige. Let's try to look for Let's try to look for opportunities here. For GT Cap, the good thing though is that gumagawa na siya ng nag-uptrend na siya. Mini uptrend, no? Dito sa area na to. Gaano kalaki ang upside kung sakasakali? 16%. Well, for me, that's totally okay na, no? Acceptable na yung kasi ang target ko lang usually, minimum ko is 15%. Okay? Pero syempre, kapag we are trading that kind of upside, usually, I also pay attention doon sa mga mini resistances. Ano yung ibig sabihin by mini resistances? Kasi this is your major, di ba? Itong 525 tsaka 668. Dahil doon mo makikita yung mga kumbaga yung full reversals nila. Actually, pwede nga to dito yun. 501. In-adjust ko na lang. Okay? So, ito yung major support and resistance. In betweens, pwede kang mag-add pa rin ng mga mini resistances. Saan mo mailalagay yun? Again, doon sa kung saan siya nag-reverse. Which is ito, 630. Okay? So, mini resistance lang yun ha. Pero sometimes kasi kapag matagal yung consolidation ng isang stock, even the minor resistance, pinapatulan ng mga traders eh. No? Ibig sabihin pinapatulan is they actually take that as a major support na rin. No? So, ayan. Ngayon, kung meron akong hawak na GT Cap, anong gagawin ko? I'll hold. Okay? Kung wala naman akong hawak na GT Cap, then my only bet sa ngayon is to wait. No? I'll wait for the stock to go down. Pwede sa 525 or even 501. 501 hanggang 525. No, I'll wait for the bounce and then doon ako pwede pumasok. Next, MM. Yun lang. Nice. Buti nakabalik na si MM dito, no? Ayun din, no? For those who are looking for pullbacks. So, ayun, no? After the recent breakout, nagkaroon na siya ng pullback, no? And itong, 395 is doing a support para dun sa stock. Okay? So, kung meron akong hawak na MM, I'll hold. I'll wait for 395 to break. 395 ba? Or no, actually mukhang 390 lang pala. Okay, I'll wait for 390 to break. Kung wala naman akong hawak na MM, then I'll wait. No, kasi even itong 450 diyan, masyado maliit na yung upside kasi. Then my better approach would be just to wait na mag-breakout siya dyan. Tapos ito yung magiging target ko na ng 580. No? And besides, kung papansinin natin, MM is still trying to recover. Diba? So maganda pa rin yung movement niya dito. Next, DMC. Yan. Ito yung nakakatawa sa market natin, no? Yung mga stocks na natanggal sa index, usually kasi nagda-die down sila or at least bumababa yung presyo, no? Pero itong mga stocks na to, maganda pa rin yung movement nila, 'di ba? Ayan. Okay. So, si DMC kanina, no, nag-drop ilan to? 0.9% na lang. Yeah. So nag-drop siya after dito, no? Hindi mukhang na siya. Hindi kaya untog na 'yan at 685. Tapos pwedeng mag-develop into cup and handle, no? With a potential support at 620 tapos reversal going into 685. Okay. So again, that is just recognizing a potential pa lang naman na cup and handle for DMC. Okay? So kung meron akong hawak na DMC, I might consider partially selling, no? In anticipation for that move on the short term, no? Yung part na yan. Anticipation pa lang naman. Diba? At the same time, partial. So that means kung halimbawa mang mali and mag-shoot up, then you still have skin on the game. Kasi may natira ka pa. Ang mahirap nun, kung halimbawa, hinintay mo talaga siya, and matuloy ito, hindi lang mag-drop dito sa 620 but baka abutin pa niya to, yung previous, mas lagot, di ba? So, pag ganito, much better pa rin yung yung taking profit kahit pa paano. Next, BHI. For BHI naman, ayun, so potential head and shoulders pattern naman siya. Kaso mukhang na rito nagko-consolidate na sa baba Yeah. I would still wait, no? Kasi again, consolidation pa rin naman yan. It can still go up or down, di ba? Either way. Okay? So kung meron akong hawak na BHI, gawin ko na lang is I'll hold. Okay? Hayaan ko lang siya. Tingnan natin kung saan pupunta or saan pupulutin. Okay? And then kung mag-drop siya, let's say at 0.9 flat, then that will be my cut loss. No? Immediate cut loss dito, no? Pero yung major, yung ultimate cut loss ko pa rin will be 0.08. Now, fill rate. REIT stocks are not ideal for short-term trading. Okay? They are not ideal for that. May volatility lang tayo nakikita dyan dahil syempre may excitement pa rin yung market. Okay? But kapag nagtagal tong mga to, most likely, at least my expectation is mag-consolidate lang sila ng matagal. No? Pero fill rate, may nakikita tayong magandang movement sa kanya in the past, di ba? Ito, recently. So, nangyari sa kanya, lumipad dito, nag-drop, mabot dito, and now, it's here. Sumakto ba siya sa Fibo? Silipin lang natin ha. Interested lang ako malaman eh. Baliktad. Ay, hindi. Tama. Ay, hindi. Hindi siya nagano. Oh, pwede pala, no? Yeah, pwede siya sa Fibo. And kung Fibo siya, then that means etong 2.7, 7.27, this could have been a resistance already. No? And tendency niyan is mag-drop here tapos rebound again. Okay? But then for that, I won't take that too much kasi syempre this is a REIT stock. No? So I will not be kumbaga trading it for for a short term lang. Okay? Next, EMP, ayun. So ito yung kasabay ni DMC na nawala sa pero mukhang nagkakaroon na siya ng resistance dito sa 17 pesos. 17 pesos. 17 pesos. Ayan. So, ayun, watch out for the 17 pesos, no? Dun sa mga Emperador holders, baka mukhang untog siya, mukha, 'di ba? Long candle kanina. Yan, kapag ganyan nangyayari, baka dumiretso yan dito. So, most likely, balik 15 kung sakali mang ma-confirm yung untog, no? Ayan. So, kung meron akong hawak na Emperador, I'll watch out for tomorrow's candle. Yung siguro next 2 days na candle kung mako-confirm. Pero technically kasi this one, medyo delix na yung kanina eh. Okay? Kung wala naman akong hawak na Emperador, then of course, I'll just be waiting, no? Antay lang ako either this one, bounce here, or breakout. Diba? Ayan. Next pa. Para baka sakaling maabot natin eh. Ayan. So pa, same thing, no? Mukhang pabalik siya dun sa support niya, which is at 1 peso. Okay. Mini consolidation on this area between 1 hanggang 136. Pero still, masyadong mailap pa to. Itong si pa. Kung meron akong hawak na pa, I can hold. No? I can hold pa kung may hawak ako, no? Tapos set the cut loss at 1 peso. Kung wala naman, then syempre, I'll just wait. I'll just wait there. On the bounce, ito yung bibiling ko for a chance or for an opportunity to go there. Tapos TP ulit sa 136. Meg. Etong si Meg medyo boring tong si Meg ngayon eh. Boring si Meg ngayon. Delix nga lang itong part na to, no? MA50. Kasi mukhang bibigay siya ng resistance dun sa stock. Okay. So on a short term, hindi maganda kasi nandoon yung MA50, no? Giving a resistance. Unless of course, ma-break niya yan. So pag na-break niya, then that's a better story kasi upon breakout, 38.2. So sa 325 siya, no? Yung next resistance. ENL 957 na pala. Ganito guys, no? Last 3 na lang tayo after DNL. Okay, last 3. So, D and L. I'm trying to check kasi itong MA50 eh. Kung valid ba siya. Mukhang hindi eh. Yeah, tingin ko hindi. Valid siya this area here, no? Pero the moment na na nanggaling siya dun sa mini consolidation niya, medyo volatile na agad yung stock. Okay, so for DNL, no, kung meron akong hawak nito, I'll hold. Hold lang muna ako sa kanya. And then, kung wala naman, I'll wait. Same thing, no? Hintayin ko yan dito. Bounce from 750. Or again, dito. Gano'ng kalaki to? By the way, hindi ko lang napansin. Right above 15%. Okay, so yan. Pero still same pa rin, no? I would rather wait for DNL to, para magbaba ng konti. Ba't ayaw niyang magpakuha? Ayan. No, I want him to drop a little bit para yung bounce niya mas malakas. Okay, so last 3 ko na lang, no? Let's take dito ASEN at saka All HC. Okay? So, dito ASEN All HC. Okay? Dito. Ayan. So, itong si dito sa ngayon, medyo boring stock siya sa akin dahil gitna siya ng range, 7 hanggang 10 pesos. Okay? And at the same time, kung mapansin natin dyan, meron ding mini resistance. Mini kasi ito yung major 10 pesos. Pero kung mapansin natin, no, yung 9 pesos, ang hirap niyang tantyahin, Ayan. Okay. So, yung 9 pesos, mini resistance lang yan. Okay? Pero, historically, parang nagkakaroon na ng untog dun dun sa area na yon. So, we'll see. No? We'll find out. Kung meron akong hawak na dito, I'll hold. No? Pero, I'll watch out for this one. Pag nakita ako ng weakness dyan sa area na yan, I'll partially sell. No? I'll partially sell. Kung wala naman akong hawak na dito, then I'll wait. No? Hintayin ko na medyo mag-drop pa siya. Preferably 7 pesos. Para mas maganda yung entry. No? Pero kung sakaling hindi man, then syempre, wait na lang for the breakout. Okay? And then on the breakout, again, this is just a mini resistance, no? I'll target 11.35 at the breakout, at the breakout. Okay, next ASEN. Hindi ko ba kanina sa ASEN? Parang tapos ko na yata ito, no? Okay, sige, ulitin ko na lang. Pero I think same pa rin naman yan. So with ASEN, again, medyo concerning lang sa akin itong part na to. Dahil this one needs to break. Kailangan. No? Kailangan niya ma-break para makakita tayo ng next move. Pero kung ako ang tatanungin, I would rather see this consolidate pa more. No? Mag-consolidate pa siya tapos dito lang siya mag-breakout. Or breakdown kung ano man ang gusto niya. Kasi importante sa akin na yung stock nakakapagpahinga. No? Para kumbaga masustain niya yung rally. Kasi kung hindi, steep na drop yung mangyayari sa kanya. Diba? Now, kung meron akong hawak na ASEN, anong gagawin ko? At this level here, yung tomorrow and Friday, I'll monitor. Kapag hindi siya gumalaw at this level, dun sa loob ng rectangle na yun, I'll consider partial selling. Okay? I'll consider partial selling. While kung wala naman akong hawak na ASEN, then syempre, waiting game na lang, no? Waiting game, kung anong gagawin ng stock. Pag nag-breakout, better, then wait for the pullback. And then mag-enter. Kung sa drop naman, then same thing. Wait for the drop, bounce there, doon ang magiging entry. Okay? And then last but not the least, all HC. So ito rin, all HC is doing pullback din tong kanina. After a good rally kahapon, pullback kanina. So parang si lang din. Parang si Monde, 'di ba? Ayan. Kung meron akong hawak na all HC, I'll hold. Kung wala naman ako hawak na all HC, then yung kaninang candle sana ang magandang candle. Ayan. Okay, sige. So guys, yun lang muna, no. We are 10:03 na rin naman. So maraming salamat for tuning in. I hope na meron kayong nakuha or natutunan kahit paano. And I hope na na-review ko yung mga paborito nyong stocks. Hindi ko siya natapos, no, as usual. Medyo madami. Pero yeah. Sana ang na-pick up niyo is yung process, yung thought process, no? Not really on the specific chart. Okay? Kasi kung alam niyo kung paano ginagawa or kung paano yung trade plan, then you can apply it on any stock na prefer ninyo. Okay? So once again guys, maraming salamat, no? Salamat for tuning in. It's already 10 PM, so good night and good luck sa inyong mga trading. Bye guys.